Hello, Hawthorne. Welcome to another singing assembly. So a little bit of a different look to it today. I'm doing it on a new recording thing, so you'll see me at the bottom of the screen, and hopefully you'll be able to see the notes and the words much more clearly, rather than me record it on my phone in the classroom and you can't see everything all right. So hopefully this new way will work really well, and you'll be able to sing along as you go. So welcome to my singing assembly. If you would like to stand up, if you're not already, make sure you're stood up, because we won't be here long. You need to be stood up with a football in between your legs, if you can remember that, like a football in between your legs. You should be able to wobble your legs. Anyone who's seen me around school knows that I can't wobble my legs very well at the moment because I'm limping. But if I can stand up, then you can. So you just stand up, nice and straight. Remember, you're not soldier, but you're not grumpy teenager either. You're singer. So nice straight back, relaxed shoulders, and space to wobble your legs. Okay, so let's do a bit of warming up. Shoulders back for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shoulders forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do a big stretch. Ooh, here's my belly coming out. Big stretch. That's it. And then big stretch back there. And now my turn, your turn. Ooh. Bigger the better. Ooh. Ooh. Good, well done. That might sound silly, but it gets your voice nicely warmed up. Okay, I've got a little bit of cold at the moment, so my voice not sounding great. Hopefully, yours sound a bit better. So we're going to learn a song today called "Don't Stop." Don't stop thinking about tomorrow. You may have heard it. Okay, it's a really good feel-good song. In my class, I love learning. If you're in year 3 and 4, then you are learning it right now for our big sing. But I thought because we're loving it so much, the other year groups might want to have a go at it. You might want to have a go at it. Okay, so if you can see the screen now, you might have lost me on here. Okay, but hopefully you can see that screen now. Okay, and I'm just gonna we'll do my turn, your turn to learn some of the words. Okay, so let's stick it in. Okay, so if you wake up and don't want to smile. Good. So you can see the words on the screen. The words are on the screen just above me here, should be, if I'm on the bottom of the screen. Okay, or you might just be able to hear me. I'm not sure how this works, but the words are up there, and you can actually see the notes now, so you can start getting used to this. I teach my class in year 4 to do the same. They learn songs this way. This is, you're looking at the music, okay? So it goes, if you wake up and don't want to smile. Good, and you can see how the notes start high. If you wake up and, so all the way down to and at the bottom, don't want to smile. Okay, if you wake up and don't want to smile. If it takes just a little while. Good. Open your eyes. Look at the day. Try that one more time. Look at the day. Good. You'll see things in a different way. Good. And then the main part goes, don't stop. Good. So there's a gap in between. So if you look at this, look at the screen now, you can see as well. It says don't, and there's a little squiggly thing. That's called a break in music, okay, or a rest. So don't stop. Good. Good. Well done. Thinking about tomorrow. Good. Very good. And then again, don't stop. It'll soon be here. Good. It'll be better than before. Good. Yesterday's gone. Yesterday's gone. Brilliant. Okay, so if you need practice doing any of those over and over again, then have a go. And it's the same tune you'll be doing multiple times. Okay, so rewind, have a practice, try again, and you're ready to start when we do. And then the second verse, you can see as I scroll down. So, why not think about time to come? Good. Just think what tomorrow will, and not about the things that you've done. Good. If your life was so bad for you, just think what tomorrow will do. Good. So that second verse, and then it's don't stop thinking about tomorrow. Don't stop. It'll soon be here, and it's the same fold as the chorus. Okay. And then it's exactly the same. The next verse is the same. It's the same tune, just different lyrics, so you can read them on here as you go along. All I want is to see you smile. Okay. And then the only thing that's different right at the end, it does this. Ooh, don't you look back. Okay, so we're on that second line. You can see it. I don't know why I'm pointing there. You can see it up here above me. Okay, it's a high note and it lasts for all 4 beats in that bar. So it goes, ooh, don't you look back. And you hold that. So you hold the ooh in the back. You notice those notes look different. They last for 4 beats. So it's ooh, don't you look back. Okay, so my turn, your turn. Ooh, don't you look back. Big breath. Ooh, don't you look back. Good. And that's it. So now you've learned all, you can rewind it, you can go back to parts that you were struggling with or that you didn't know so much. Have a look, and then you'll be able to just follow the words on the screen and sing it with me. Okay, let's sing it together then. So this will move on as you go along, okay? You should be able to hear it, okay? Okay, nice singing positions. If you wake up from rest, if you wake up and don't want to smile, if it takes just a little while, open your eyes, look at the sky, you'll see things in a different way. Don't stop thinking about tomorrow. Don't stop, it'll soon be here. It'll be better than before. Yesterday's gone, yesterday's gone. There is a guitar solo later as well, so I want to see some good air guitar. Why not think about times to come and not about things that you've done? If your life was bad for you, just think what tomorrow will do. Don't stop thinking about tomorrow. Don't stop, it'll soon be here. It'll be better than before. Yesterday's gone, yesterday's gone. Okay, guitar solo now. See some people instrument guitar. Like that. Play your teeth. Bump your head. All around. Bump your head. That's it. My class love doing this bit. Okay, get ready to do the next one, big breath. All I want is to see you smile. If it takes just a little while. No, you don't believe that it's true. I've remained anyhow to you. Don't stop thinking about tomorrow. Don't stop, it'll soon be here. It'll be better than before. Yesterday's gone, yesterday's gone. Don't stop thinking about tomorrow. Don't stop, it'll soon be here. It'll be better than before. Yesterday's gone, yesterday's gone. Don't you look back. Yeah. Don't you look back. One more time. Don't you look back. sure if you could see me for any of that or for all of it because it's gone on my screen, but hopefully you could. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed singing that. And just a note that I'll do more of these, the next ones, but there's some of the signs that I do. I think you probably picked up anyway. But if I'm doing this, I want you to hold the note. So, ooh, and that means stop it. Don't you look back? Like that, okay? When I do this, it means to breathe, okay? So you're practicing breathing before you sing something, okay? So just a note for next time. But you can always, now you know that, you can go back and do the video again and see where I'm doing it, okay? So see if you can spot it. So like always, I'd love it if you sent in videos of you and your family doing this at home. And just have fun, enjoy singing with your family. Okay, bye.